Is this the sleekest iPad keyboard case yet? This is a simple and fast review of the Runelk magnetic trackpad for the iPad Pro 13-inch. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so with the iPad Pro M5 coming out in mid-October 2025, I wanted to kind of walk you through this because this will be one that fits that. And you can pre-order that now if you want to go on Apple, but just want to kind of walk you through some of this. Again, the keyboard here and you know, holder is really simple and easy to discuss. Really clean black cover, foldable camera window. It's going to be pretty stiff, and that's kind of the key here. Is it's going to be stiff and it's going to be magnetic at the top here. So just to give you an idea, try and show you the magnet. It's not really going to demonstrate that well, but let me grab something that will. But in the meantime, just want to show you lit up keyboard. Hopefully you can see that, the lighting behind it. Trackpad. All right, so to show the magnet, just going to show you. This is just MagSafe. Goes right on there. And again, this is nice and soft. Will bend straight as well if needed. And quick close. Plenty of space here. We do have a USB-C charging port there as well, to give you an idea. So if you have the M4 already, then you can work with this, but I got an M5 on the way, and again, this is going to be slightly flexible to give you that adjustment. And of course, read your instruction manual, but it only works with the 13-inch M4 and M5. So highlights obviously are going to be that it basically is going to be like a laptop when this all gets said and done, with trackpad and your keyboard. It's ultra thin and ultra light. So and plenty strong, as you can tell. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this kind of intro and unboxing helps you out in your buying decision. And thanks for watching.